OpenCorporates Honest Review. Watch before using. OpenCorporates is the largest open database of companies in the world, with information on over 200 million entities from nearly every country. It was designed for businesses, researchers, journalists, and anyone needing access to corporate data, whether for compliance, due diligence, or investigative purposes. What sets OpenCorporates apart is its commitment to transparency. The platform aggregates publicly available company data from official sources like government registries, making it more accessible to the public. Its primary features include detailed company profiles with information like directors, shareholders, company numbers, and even links to filings. You can track company histories, changes in directorships, or even look up related entities across jurisdictions. One key advantage of OpenCorporates is its API, which allows businesses to integrate real-time company data into their workflows, enhancing due diligence, risk management, or fraud detection processes. For professionals in finance, law, or journalism, this is a game changer. However, the free access is somewhat limited. You can search companies and get basic information, but to unlock full datasets or perform batch searches, you'll need to pay for a subscription. OpenCorporates also offers powerful visualization tools to see corporate networks and relationships, which can be crucial for spotting potential risks or conflicts of interest. That said, while OpenCorporates is an excellent resource, it's not perfect. Because it relies on publicly available data, the information isn't always up to date, especially in countries where public records are less accessible or updated infrequently. Furthermore, some users have reported that the platform can be overwhelming due to the vast amount of data, so it's not the most beginner-friendly tool out there. But for anyone needing comprehensive corporate transparency, OpenCorporates is one of the best tools on the market. Just make sure you're aware of its limitations and the costs involved if you need in-depth data. Overall, it's a powerful resource for those who know how to leverage it properly.